Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to define the default document process type in a job order. To begin, open the configuration window and navigate to the Other Settings section. Here, you will find the option labeled Document Process Type. This option provides two choices in the drop-down list, Sequential and Discrete. Select the required process type as the default. Next, click on Column Locks and unlock the process type field so that it is visible during job order entry. Save the configuration changes and initiate a new job order entry. As you can see, the process type field in the header details section is automatically populated with the default value defined in the configuration. You can also change the process type during entry if the field is unlocked.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.